Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Right? Now, in the last session, we have understood the fundamental things about the computer. Right? Now, today, I am going to start the explanation of the first chapter. But before we start that, two things to complete. First, that whenever you have a computer lecture, please sit with your textbook. And the second thing, whenever we are going to start the first lesson, first lecture will be of hard words, or you can say vocabulary words. So you can understand that hard words and you can also learn the pronunciation of that word. Right? So our first chapter is computer fundamentals. Many things about computer you know. You may have computer at your home and in school also you have used computer. So you know the basic part of the computer, that is monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Right? Okay. Some of the part, it is input device. Some part of the computer is output device. Right? Some part of the computer is known as hardware. Some part of the computer is known as software. So, about all that things we will learn in this session. But before that, as I have told you, you have to study the vocabulary words. So, are you all ready to learn the vocabulary words? Let us see the presentation of it. Chapter number 1, Computer Fundamentals. Let's take a look at the vocabulary words of this chapter. What is our first word? Our first word is invention. How will you pronounce it? Invention. Now see the meaning of it. The action of inventing something, typically a process or device. मतलब इन्वेंट करना, जो चीज़ पहले वर्ल्ड में नहीं थी उसको बनाना. राइट? दैट इज नोन एज इन्वेंटिंग और इट इज नोन एज इन्वेंशन. राइट? लाइक बल्ब, कंप्यूटर, जो पहले नहीं थे और फिर बाद में उसके बनाए गए. Right? So that is known as what? Invention. Clear? Now let us go to the next word. What is our next word? Assignment. How will you pronounce it? Assignment. Right? What is the meaning of it? A specified task or amount of work assigned. That means the way your teachers are giving you homework. Right? That is what? Assigned work. તમને આપેલું કામ જે તમારે પૂરું કરવાનું છે એને શું કહેવાય? Assignment. Right? Understood? Shall we go to the next one? Let us go. What is the next word? Departure. How will you pronounce it? Departure. What is the meaning of it? A departure is the act of leaving somewhere. That means when you go to airport, right? तो वहाँ पे departure time लिखा हुआ होता है. That this flight will depart at this time. એટલે કે એ જગ્યાને આટલા વાગે મૂકીને જશે. દેટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ વોટ? ડિપાર્ચર. એટલે કે ત્યાંથી જતું રહેવું. See here. Right? Understood? Shall we go to the next word? Let us go. What is the next word? Satellites. How will you pronounce it? Satellites. And I think you know the meaning of it. Right? See the meaning here. A celestial body orbiting another of larger size. Celestial body means the body which is there in the space. આકાશમાં જે બધું હોય છે જેમ કે stars, planets and many more things, they are known as celestial body. बराबर? So अर्थ के आसपास जो बॉडी घूमती है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सैटेलाइट्स. सी हियर. राइट? See the picture clearly. Understood? Now, shall we go to the next word? Let us go. What is our next word? Weather forecasting. How will you pronounce it? Weather forecasting. What is the meaning of it? A prediction of future weather, often for a specific locality, in a newspaper or on the radio or television. That means कि आज बारिश होने की संभावना है, आज का तापमान इतना रहेगा. राइट? फ्यूचर वेदर. राइट? उसको प्रिडिक्ट करना કે કદાચ આજે વરસાદ આવે, કદાચ આજે વાદળછાયું વાતાવરણ હોય. બરાબર? અને એ ન્યૂઝપેપરમાં આપે અથવા રેડિયો ઉપર આપે અથવા તો ટેલિવિઝનમાં આપે. દેટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ વોટ? વેધર ફોરકાસ્ટિંગ. Now as you know that we are using mobiles, so on mobile also we have a certain applications which are showing us the weather. Right? See here. Right? You can see there are shiny, warm, clouds, rainy. It is the simple weather forecasting. Clear? Shall we go to the next one? Yes. Let us go. What is our next word? Animation. How will you pronounce it? Animation. What is the meaning of it? The technique of photographing successive drawings or position of puppets or models to create an illusion of movement when the film is shown as a sequence. Now see kids, this definition may look difficult to you, but you know that we all are seeing cartoons and movies, right? So what is that cartoon? It is a successive drawing. मतलब બધા ડ્રોઈંગ કરેલા હોય છે અને એને શું કરે છે તો કે બતાવે છે. તો એને શું કહેવાય? એનિમેશન. એટલે એટલું ફટાફટ ચાલતું હોય એ ફોટોગ્રાફ કે આપણને એવું લાગે કે એ કેરેક્ટર ચાલે છે. રાઈટ? that is known as what? Animation. See the picture of Tweety. Right? Let's move to the next one. What is the next word? Communication. How will you pronounce it? Communication. Means of sending or receiving information, such as phone lines or computers. Now see kids, simple meaning of communication means વાતચીત કરવી. Right? Communication means what? To talk. Right? But we can say that when we are talking on phone or via computer, it is also known as communication. Right? I am sending you some message and you are also sending some message to others. So that is what? It is the way of communication. See here. Right? Shall we go to the next one? Let us go. What is our next word? Automation. Right? अभी हमने देखा था animation. Now this is the another word, that is automation. Now see here. What is the meaning of it? The technique of making an apparatus, a process or a system operate automatically. मतलब કે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુને એવી રીતના બનાવવી કે તે પોતાની જાતે કામ કરે. બરાબર? એને કાંઈ પણ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપવાની જરૂર પડે નહીં. તો એને શું કહેવાય? Automation. The system which works automatically. It is known as automation. Right? See here the picture. The way watch is working, the way clock is working, right? It is working automatically. So that process is known as what? Automation. Clear? Let's go to the next word. Our next word is execution. How will you pronounce it? Execution. What is the meaning of it? The act or process of executing. मतलब performance. તમને દીદીએ કાંઈ કામ આપ્યું અને તમે કરીને બતાવો છો. બરાબર? તો તમારું કરેલું કામ તમે એક્ઝિક્યુટ કર્યું છે, એટલે કે તમે દેખાડ્યું છે. સો showing your performance is known as execution. Clear? See the picture. Right? Shall we go to the next one? Let's go. What is the next word? Command. What is the next word? Command. What is the meaning of it? To give instruction. Right? When you are giving instruction to someone, that means you are commanding them. Barabar? See the picture. Here we are talking about the commands of computer. એટલે કે તમે કમ્પ્યુટરને જે ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપો છો એને પણ શું કહેવાય? કમાન્ડ. રાઈટ? લેટ્સ ગો ટુ ધ નેક્સ્ટ વર્ડ. વોટ ઇઝ ધ નેક્સ્ટ વર્ડ? પ્રોસેસિંગ. How will you pronounce it? Processing. Right? What is the meaning of it? Deal with someone or something using an official procedure. બરાબર? હવે પ્રોસેસિંગ કરવું મતલબ પ્રોસેસ કરવી, પ્રક્રિયા કરવી. રાઈટ? ઓકે. See the picture of it. Processing device. Here I am explaining the processing device of the computer, like CPU and the chips present inside the CPU. Right? Whatever the command you will give to computer, it will be processed inside the CPU. Right? Understood? Let's go to the next word. What is that? Arithmetic. What is it? Arithmetic. It's a very simple word. What is the meaning of it? Mathematical calculation like addition, division, etc. That means you are performing many tasks in maths subject, right? That all tasks are known as arithmetic tasks, right? It's very easy. Clear? Let's go to the next word. What is that? Logical. What is the meaning of it? Relating to, involving or being in accordance with logic, a logical conclusion. मतलब કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ સાથે ડીલ કરવા માટે વિચારી અને તમે જવાબ આપો છો. Whenever you want to finish any task, any work, first you are thinking that if I will do this, then what will happen? If I will do that, then what will happen? Right? So that thinking process is known as logical. Right? વિચારીને જવાબ આપવો, that is logical. See the picture. Right? Let's go to the next word. Transistor. How will you pronounce it? Transistor. Now see the meaning of it. A semiconductor device with 3 connections capable of amplification in addition to rectification. Now this definition is also very hard to understand, but transistor means it's a device through which we can connect many other electronic chips or electronic device. એક સાથે બીજા ઘણા બધા ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક ડિવાઇસ આપણે કનેક્ટ કરવા હોય તો we should use transistor. See the picture of it. You can see that it has a 3 rod, જેને કહેવાય 3 connections. Right? Understood? Let's go to the next one. Emitting. How will you pronounce it? Emitting. Emitting means produce and discharge. Right? This is somewhat scientific language, but in a simple language if I will say, emitting means to glow. Suppose if you are switching off the light, તો એ બંધ થઈ જશે, but when you switch it on, it will start blowing. Right? It will start glowing also. એટલે કે ચાલુ થશે. That is known as what? Emitting. See here. Right? These all LED bulbs are emitting. Light એમાં ચાલુ છે. Right? Clear? Let's go to the next one. Diode. How will you pronounce it? Diode. The meaning of it is an electronic device that has 2 electrodes or terminals. Right? It is a kind of a wire like a system where you can attach many more lights. Right? See here. You can see all the LED bulbs are having 2 diodes કે જે વાયર સાથે આપણે કનેક્ટ કરી શકીએ. Right? Let's go to the next one. Storage. What is the meaning of it? The retention of retrievable data on a computer or other electronic system. That means તમે કમ્પ્યુટરમાં કાંઈ કામ કર્યું છે, બરાબર, એક સ્ટોર થશે. ક્યાં સ્ટોર થશે? તો કે CPUમાં. And after few days, if you want to see that work again, you can open it easily. Right? There are so many storage device of a computer like a pen drive, CD. Right? See here in the picture. Okay? Understood? Let's go to the next one. See, operating system. I have shown you picture first so that you can understand. Right? Operating system means a system software that manages computer hardware, software, resources and provides common services for computer programs. મતલબ કે કમ્પ્યુટરની અંદર એક સિસ્ટમ હોય છે જે આપણને કમ્પ્યુટર ચલાવવા દે છે, કોઈ પણ પ્રોગ્રામ ઓપન કરવા દે છે, એમાં કામ કરવા દે છે. Right? So that is known as what? Operating system, or it is also known as OS. Right? Clear? Next one. Calculation. What is the meaning of it? Very easy. a mathematical determination of the amount or number of something. That means if I will give you few numbers and if I will tell you to do addition of it, that means તમે એને શું કરો છો? Calculate કરો છો, ગણતરી કરો છો, right? So do that calculation. I will say that, right? So that is what? Calculation. Clear? Chalo. Next, components. How will you pronounce it? Components. What is the meaning of it? A part or element of a larger whole, especially a part of machine or vehicles. Right? કોઈ પણ મશીન હોય તો એના નાના નાના પાર્ટ્સ હોય, એ નાના નાના પાર્ટ્સ જોઈન્ટ થઈ અને આખું મશીન બને. So that small parts are known as components. It is known as what? It is known as components. See here, these all are small electronic components, right? Understood? Okay, fine. So that was our vocabulary words. I hope you have understood, right? Okay, so now as you have learned the vocabulary words of this chapter, let me give you brief introduction to the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study the usage of computer, where the computers are used. Then we are going to study about the characteristics of a computer, then working of a computer, input and output device, then hardware and software, right? So I hope you have enjoyed learning vocabulary words. We are going to meet in the next session. Till then, please stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.